Good morning, children. Today in our math class, we'll see the place value chart and how to fill the numbers in the following tables. Okay, so see here. So in 1 crore, we have seen already how many ones will be there in 1 crore, how many tens will be there, how many hundreds will be there. In that, by standing in that position, how many 1 crore will be there in that ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, all those things we have seen. Yes or no, children? Yes. So today we'll fill the correct numbers in the tables. Then next one, in 1 crore, what they have given, how many ones are there? The same 1 crore ones will be there for 1 crore. So 1 crore is written. While standing in tens position, you will have a number reduced. Okay, so it has tens. Okay, so 10 lakh 1 crore, 10 lakh tens will be there. How many hundreds will be there? 1 lakh hundreds will be there. Thousands, 10,000 thousands will be there. And then thousand, 10,000s will be there. And lakh, 100 lakhs will be there. And 10 lakhs will be there. And 1 crore. So the amount which we divide according to the place value is this thing. Okay, so in 10 lakhs, how many ones will be there? Same 10 lakh ones you will be there. 10 lakh ones, then tens. One number will be reduced. So it is 1 lakh. So by standing in that position, which is 10 lakh, see here, this will be 10 lakh. When standing in one's place, it will have 10 lakh. 10 lakh, and while standing in tens place, it will have how much? See, 1 lakh. So while standing in tens place, it will have 1 lakh, and standing in hundreds place, see, 10,000. So 3 zeros and 4 zeros with 1. So 10,000 hundreds will be there. And while standing in thousands place, how much will you have? 1,000. Thousands will be there. And while standing in 10,000s place, 100. 10,000s will be there. Then while standing in lakhs place, how much will you get? 10 lakhs will be there. Okay, children. Okay, can you fill this for 1 lakh, 10,000 and 1,000? Okay, you just fill this. Coming to the number name and expanded form of a given number. See, I have taken activity number 2, and you just do activity number 1 and the exercise given at the back side. Okay, so just look at the abacus. Okay, so the numbers were given there. See there, 10 lakh. In 10 lakhs place, it starts from 10 lakhs. So how many beads are there in 10 lakh? 5 beads are there. Then in lakhs place, how many lakhs do you have? 2. Then in 10,000s place, 4 you have. In thousands place, 1 you have. In tens place, 5 you have. And in ones place, how much you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 you have. Okay, so what will be the number? 52 lakh 41,258. So this will be your number. You just fill the number. See here, in ones place, what number do you have? 8. Tens place, 5. Then hundreds place, 2, comma. Then in thousands and 10,000s place, 41. Then in 10 lakhs and lakhs place, 52. So this will be your number. Okay, how will you write the number name? It starts from 10 lakh. So you have to club together this lakhs group. Yes or no? So 10 lakh and lakh will be clubbed together. So it belongs to lakhs family. So 52 lakhs. 52 lakhs. Then thousands family. 41,000. 41,000. Hundreds, you have to write separately. How many hundreds do you have? 200. Then 58. So this is your number name. Clear, children? Okay. Now you have to expand the number according to the place value. Yes or no? So in 10,000's place you have 5 beats. So 5 10 lakh. Then in lakhs place how much you have? 2 lakhs. 10,000's place you have 4 beats. So 4 10,000. And 1, what do you have? 1,000. Then in hundreds place 2 hundreds, 5 tens and dash ones, 8 ones. So 5 lakh, while writing in numeral, how will you write 50 lakh, then 2 lakh, then 40,000, then 1,000 plus 200 plus 50 plus 8. This is how you have to find the number from the abacus. After writing the number, you just write the number name and then the expanded form according to the place value. Okay, children. And then you just do this activity number 1 and the exercise given at the back side as homework. Okay, thank you.